Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I do hair, makeup, vlogs, and everything in between. This is what my hair looks like underneath my wig. I'm trying to grow back my TWA. I've been rocking a whole lot of shortcuts, so I've finally decided to grow my hair, so bear with me. I'm gonna do a lot of video about my progress. So this video is only gonna be about how I do my makeup, my everyday makeup. I don't really like cakey look, so it's gonna be very subtle and natural looking. I'm not gonna be talking too much during this video. I'm just gonna show you guys my procedure. If you guys have any questions on what I'm doing and if you guys want to learn more, definitely leave your questions in the description, guys, my English. Leave your comments in the description box below and I will definitely reply to each and every one of them. Again, I'm not a pro in makeup. I just do what I've known and what I've been doing for over a couple of years now. I started doing makeup in high school, but I'm just going to show you guys what I normally do, and hopefully you enjoy this video. Please support me by liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks. Bye. So I just wanted to quickly come in to tell you guys about the wig that I have on. It's a 16-inch full lace wig I got from AliExpress for my birthday. I have a vlog up about my birthday, so check that up. Yeah, this wig is one of my favorite wigs ever. It feels so amazing. It feels like our African American hair, and it's just one of my favorite wigs in the whole wide world. I plan on getting this in a shorter inch, a longer inch. That's how much I love this wig, because it just feels so amazing. It just works for me. Like, I got a brown lace, so it blends perfectly with my complexion. And if you guys want more details on this wig, let me know and I will definitely make another video about it. Continue watching. Enjoy.